Phoenix Mall of Asia, Bengaluru, presents Tarun Tahilyani's collection Heirloom in an exclusive showcase. A curated evening of fashion, craft, and contemporary design at the city's luxury retail destination. Bangalore, 28th March 2026. Phoenix Mall of Asia, Bengaluru's leading destination for luxury retail and experiences, hosted an exclusive showcase of OTT's SS26 collection by ace designer Tarun Tahilyani at its fan park. The presentation by Tarun Tahilyani, one of India's most influential couturiers with a signature blend of Indian craftsmanship and tailored form, brought together fashion and contemporary design through a refined, fluid, and distinctly modern approach to Indian occasion wear. Conceived as a study in movement, texture, and assured ease, the new collection reflects Tarun Tahilyani's evolving expression of luxury praise for the contemporary woman. Rooted in a nuanced palette of black, ivory, blush, sage, mocha, berry, coral, taupe, and gunmetal, the collection explores the interplay of softness and structure, where fluid silhouettes are grounded in precision and detail. The collection moves across distinct expressions, from the after-dark fluidity of cocktail to the organic lightness of Jardin, alongside Rabari's tactile interpretations of craft and interlace focus on layered lines and precise construction. Materiality remains central, with crinkled silks, foil jerseys, organzas, knits, and structured fabrics designed to drape, fold, and move with ease. Florals appear as subtle impressions, while asymmetric balances and restrained embellishments lend the collection its distinctive character. Speaking on the collection, designer Tarun Tahilyani said, "OTT is created for a woman's everyday-to-dinner wardrobe. The idea is for these pieces to mix and match seamlessly with what she already owns and with our collections designed season after season, eventually defining a distinctly modern, India-inspired way of dressing." As the evening unfolded and each
in the courts when I went to register it, and I saw these huge hoardings all over the comb. So because it had the O, it called OTT. So very simply, we're trying to be India in a modern way, and we're very inspired to be Indian and global, and that to me is India modern. We're going to start a presentation. Some of the girls will switch outfits. I will babble on the mic over above the thing, and then of course I'm happy to do any questions after the show, and then we'll be down in the store to show people how to mix and match, and just to show this idea that a little jacket, you can wear it with a sari, you can wear it with your pants, you can wear it with a dhoti, or one woman can wear it 5 different ways. And so we take little bits of Indian time. It doesn't work. So we know what we need in this country. I think there's a big global Indian, and I'm really about simpler things. You know, embroidery is the thing that Islam brought to India. Hindus did textiles, Islam brought embroidery, and the British brought tailoring. So the further south is painting. Well, we were about to start working on a great, fantastic Dubai flagship, and the first ball fell up the street. So I don't know if that was lucky or bad, or when on a good side or a bad side. I'm actually just working on pushing this OTT doctrine because, like I said, I don't want to see, and it's happening for a lot of Indian designers, our clothes are being bought for very ceremonial functions, and it's becoming a big costume. I want